Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 10th, 2024. And we have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypherblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 9248. 9248. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. This one has 27. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more, 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the number? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. We have 5 and the 3 in this column, so no 5 and the 3 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 3, 5 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6, alright. Then, let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in that column, so no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Come on. You know, 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3, 2, 5. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third row. 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. How about the 7 here? Yeah. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 8. 4, 6, and then 9. No 6 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. That means the 9 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Okay. 3, 2. We have a pair, I believe, the 5 and the 7 in the last column, the 5 and the 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Okay, so the 4, the 9, no, the 4, the 8, and the 2, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, need a 3 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 6 here. Thinking. 1, 1. The 1, 1 here. 1 there. Okay. 6 here. Come on. 5 here. 2, 7. Need a 7 there. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. And need a 4. Ay. 4, 2. 4, 2. Come on. Need a 9 here. 7, 5, 1, 3. I'm thinking. Overlook something here. Need a 9 there. 4, 8. 4, 8 and a 6. 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are no 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and an 8 in the second column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left should be the 4. 4 in this column, 4, third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left 4, it should be there. Okay, so we need a 6 here. Ay. 7. I need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we need a 2 there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 9 should be here. No 9 here, 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. Come on. I need a 5 here. And I need a 1 here. 1, 5. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. And a 5. 5 here, 5 there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left the 5. Could be here, could be there. Need a 9 here or there. 9, 6, 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5. Here we have a 5. That means in this column, the 5 should be in one of those two boxes. Yeah. Because in these two boxes can be 5. We have a 5 in this row. We have a 5 in the second row. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. So the 5 should be in one of those two boxes. Together with the 2, we have a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing now. Okay, so 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 6, okay. 6, 8, and a 5. Well, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here. Here, 2 numbers left, 5 and I believe the 8, 5 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 5, 8, 5, 8. Okay. Come on. Need a 2. This one is not easy at all. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. 1 should be here all day. We have 1 in this column, 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here. Here and there, we have 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 in the row above, no 1 there. So the only places left for 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3 boxes left. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. I need to wait here. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. We got all the ones. Okay. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. 7 and 5, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes and there. Then let me see. Need a 5 here. Need a 7. Yeah, 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Let me think. 6, 5. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. 5, 5. 3, 5. Need a 4. 3, 5. Need a 4 and a 9. This should be 4 or 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those. That means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 5. 5 in this row. Last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 5 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. Last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay, this is a 2. Okay, 4 and a 6. How about here? 1 box. No, 2 and an 8 should be here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 4 and an 8. We have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 4, 8 should be there. And we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, 2. 1, the 2 is missing, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square, I believe the 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 6 and 8. How about here? 5 and 8. 5 and 8. 6 and a 5. Okay. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so this box should be a 6. That box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square, I believe 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Not faster than 15 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars here. Having troubles with this one. Having trouble, not a 3 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So very pleased with the time. I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you guys for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.